good evening. My name is Cyrus Baguio and this is my vlog. What are these concepts important for media users? It would help to know the concepts you're referring to if you're discussing concepts like media literacy, bias awareness, or privacy protection. And how can this situation impact individuals or companies? And the impact of media-related situation on individuals or companies can vary widely depending on the context. How do we apply the principles of nitpicky, especially in online interactions? Applying the principles or nitpicky or internet etiquette in online interactions ensure respectful, effective, and positive communication. And lastly, how will understanding these issues affect the way you consume and share information in the future? So, understanding issues like misinformation, privacy, bias, and etiquette in productive online environment, fostering better interaction and relationship. And that's it, guys. Good evening.